But before I start with this crash test, I'd like to remember my iPhone XS Max giveaway. Guys, you can win this phone. What you have to do is, first step is like this video, then subscribe Herde Test and make sure that the notifications are on. Next step is follow Herde Test on Instagram and on Facebook, and the last point is write a comment with the words "pick me," and then you are able to win this phone. Guys, good luck to everyone. And now I will go on with this experiment. I'm so excited with this iPhone XR and this beautiful blue. And yes, let's put the iPhone like that. Let's do that, guys. The phone is so hot, guys. And yes, guys, was my crash test with the iPhone XR. Guys, I hope you like this video. And yes, as always, thumbs up for new crash tests. And